Hello and welcome to the Prince Weekly Show Vigyapanti. With the festive season approaching, every major e-commerce platform is rolling out sales, offers and promotions to create a highly competitive and often cluttered advertising space. Amid the noise, it becomes crucial and difficult for brands to cut through and stand out. But this year, Flipkart has managed to do that. With its recent commercial, the brand caught audiences off guard by tapping into a dose of scary nostalgia for 90s kids. They brought back none other than their greatest academic fear, mathematician R.D. Sharma, but with a quirky twist. The brand partnered with Sharma for its Big Billion Days 2025 campaign, conceptualized by ad agency Talented and directed by Anand Sharma. It was a clever and unexpected marketing move that blends education with everyday shopping, and trust us, it's everything fun.
30 watermelons, 60% off.
30 more for 20% off.
What is the final price?
अरे ऐसे क्वेश्चन बनाता है कौन?
मैं आर.डी. शर्मा, नाम तो सुना होगा। लोग पूछते हैं इतने तरबूज कौन खरीदता है। भाई भी इरेशनल है और मैं भी भाई लागू। और मेरे क्वेश्चंस का इंस्पिरेशन फ्लिपकार्ट बिग बिलियन डेज 60, 70, 85% ऑफ। जीनियस। आप भी इंस्पायर होके कमेंट्स में अपने क्वेश्चंस बनाओ। आपका क्वेश्चन जितना टेढ़ा फ्लिपकार्ट बिग बिलियन डेज पर ऑफर उतना ही बढ़िया। पाइथागोरस की कसम, ये फ्लिपकार्ट बिग बिलियन डेज है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है। Isosceles, nice.
Known for his widely used mathematics textbooks across Indian schools, Sharma has long been a household name in academic circles, but this is the first time he has stepped into the world of advertising. The ad cleverly plays on his image using humor and nostalgia to connect with millions of students who grew up studying his textbooks. His appearance in a Flipkart commercial not only breaks his long-standing low media profile, but also signals a shift in how brands are leveraging unlikely influencers to create chatter. This collaboration is both refreshing and impactful. It not only surprises viewers, but also taps into a deep cultural memory, allowing brands to engage with a broad demographic through a figure synonymous with academic rigor and trust. Well, it was not the only commercial that created chatter. Flipkart is on a roll. With the Big Billion Days, Flipkart's flagship annual shopping event, the brand continues to deliver unforgettable campaigns, raising the bar year after year. And this season, Flipkart has truly outdone itself. About 2 weeks ago, the brand dropped an ad film that immediately gave viewers major Om Shanti Om vibes. Packed with surprise cameos from Amitabh Bachchan and Alia Bhatt to Yashraj Mukhate and Farah Khan, the ad has quickly become one of the most star-studded commercials in recent memory. Within 12 days, the commercial has collected 117 million views on YouTube.
नया फोन, कवर, इतनी महंगी ड्रेस, इंक्रीमेंट?
नहीं, डील मिली बिग बिलियन डेज पे।
कुछ भी। हाय, मैं अंदर मिलती हूँ।
Ma'am, VIP this way. Please come.
Zaga jackpot, where's the mascot? धड़कन dancing to किस्मत का कैटकॉट. किसे लगा झटका, किसे शॉट, किसी के लिए long shot. Won that coin toss and saw that mic drop. Killer Raymond, the black dot deadly. Stars in my eyes and background medley. लक लगा हाथ मेरे गस्सम दा ओना. जहाँ हाथ लगा
plus AB, 2AB. Come, but
But nahi, but. Life is a party, and my body is a nightclub.
Last time you said your body was a stadium.
Oh, did I?
Papa.
My child, open the window of your heart and let the light enter your soul.
Yeah, let's go.
ये इस पार्टी में कैसे?
होगी किसी की बेटी?
कपूर,
हाँ?
चोपड़ा,
मल्होत्रा,
खन्ना।
सिन्हा। बस्सी, आप यहाँ ऐसे?
किसी को बताना मत, मेरा शो का नाम है।
बस कर बस्सी, मालूम है।
लाइक शेयर।
Subscribe.
The most noble work is to serve others.
भाई बच्ची है, इसके बाद तो ऐड हम भी बना लेंगे।
सर ये फ्लिपकार्ट का ऐड चल रहा है।
क्या?
Zagamaka jackpot, where's the mascot? Dhadkan dancing to kismat ka catcaught. I'ma need a stop drop, perhaps on that backdrop, that high note, that dance up. I'ma need a little bit of map drop in a minute. I'ma take time to snap out in a minute. Billy and a gunti baji, dil ne bola.
मैं तो बस कुछ भी
मैं तो बस कुछ भी
Jumping in and out of time, chale kuch bhi. Getting lucky, feeling fine, करे कुछ भी. Celebration on my mind.
पार्टी है कि डांस कंपटीशन?
मैम बहुत अच्छा नाचती है। आप मुंबई आ सकते हो।
अरे हम मुंबई में ही हैं।
आज गार्ड निकले कुछ भी. I'm kinda rolling with the times, मैंने कुछ भी. Desk के साथ छोड़ू डायरी के कुछ भी. Put the मस्ती in the pie, खाते कुछ भी. बाकी दो मिल लगे fire, फटे कुछ भी. Never running out of line, सीधा कुछ भी हो सकता है कुछ भी.
Hey, Miss 2AB. Lift.
Biggest brands, biggest deals. Flipkart Big Billion Days. यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है।
By blending Bollywood nostalgia, influencer culture, and high production value, the brand created a campaign that's not just a commercial, it's an event. Now, with back-to-back hits this shopping season, Flipkart's campaigns capture attention, sparks conversation, and most importantly, establishes the brand as a trendsetter in Indian advertising. Thank you for watching and follow for more.